Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to be withdrawing my BTC of this Bitcoin mining site with the name Whales Mining. You will get the link in this video's description box, okay? So click on the link to start mining free Bitcoin for yourself every second, okay? You can see it counting right here now, okay? So now let's go withdraw without much talk. So I'm just going to click on withdraw coins, alright? I'm just going to choose the crypto which I want to withdraw. You can see here that I have 0.0016 Bitcoin worth of Litecoin. I have 0.00047 Bitcoin worth of Dogecoins. I have 0.00018 Bitcoin worth of Ethereum. I have some USDT, BEP20, TRX20, TRX, BNB, and BTC BEP20. Okay, so now I'm just going to withdraw this my Bitcoin itself. Okay, and I'm just going to come down here and I'll click on request. Okay, so this time I will be withdrawing the sum of 0.00543647 BTC. Okay, and this happens to be my Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, so let's head on to Trust Wallet and I'll show you the same address. So this is my Trust Wallet account, guys, and this is my Bitcoin portfolio, and I currently have 0.02785616 BTC. Okay, this is the same address here now that ends with SJ. Now let's go back to the site again now, and I am going to withdraw. Okay, so let's go back to the site and click confirm, and let's see how it goes this time. All right, and it says the withdrawal request has been successfully saved. You receive a payment within 24 hours. Okay, so we are just going to wait for them to process the payment, guys, because most times their payment isn't automatic. Okay, so let's give them time to process the payment. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as I receive my payment. Okay, so stay tuned and don't skip any part of this video. Welcome back. So guys, this is my new BTC account balance after my last withdrawal, and you can see here that I still have some Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, USDT, Bitcoin Cash, TRX, BNB, and BTC BEP20 here now. And if I scroll down, you'll be able to see the last withdrawal, which was 0.00543647 BTC. Okay, so now let me head on to Trust Wallet and show you my new Trust Wallet account balance on BTC here now, which is now 0.03329263 BTC. Okay, so you notice that about 0.005 BTC was added to my account balance, and even my portfolio actually increased. Okay, so you have just confirmed that this site is paying. I don't know why I couldn't find the withdrawal. So give this video a thumbs up, guys, and please do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos on how you can make money online with cryptocurrency, airdrops, mining sites, any site, and others. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless. Peace out.